The last step, of course, is to put the quilt into good use. And I've put it on the bed here, and so you can get a really good view of the cascading blocks. One of the very important processes or steps in making a quilt is actually to sign the quilt. It's important for historic value to make sure that your name is on there, the date is on there, and why you made it. You can hand embroider this, or in our case we used a sewing machine to embroider it. And of course you saw in our step of washing it, you can wash it in a normal washing machine. It's a pretty heavy quilt, so like I said before, you might want to clean out the lint trap a lot, but it's all cotton and will wash beautifully. It is extremely warm quilt, so it's good for those winters in the Midwest.